today we're gonna be doing what I eat in a day video, because it was one of the requests that I got for Vlogmas. If you're new here, my name is Cam. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day. And yeah, I'm also gonna do a meal prep with me video to show you guys how I make my meals. But today I'm just gonna show you what I eat for my meals. It's currently 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go to the gym. So the first thing that I always have in the morning is it's like hurting my soul trying to say it. I always have apple cider vinegar with some matthieu fiber, because I don't know, my coach just tells me I need it. So I put like this much water. Can you see that? This much water, 2 tablespoons of bullshit, 2 scoops of the matthieu fiber, sugar-free. This will make you poop. We all love to poop here. We're just gonna shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. I didn't close it. Idiot. By the way, if you guys drink this stuff, do not let it sit. You need to drink it as fast as possible, because the longer that you let it sit, the thicker it gets, and it's just drink it. Ugh. Now we're just gonna make my oatmeal. My friend gave me this scale, so I don't really know where she got it. I think she got it from Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh out 35 grams. Plop. While that is in the microwave, I'm gonna go ahead and weigh out my nut butters. If you follow me on Instagram, I already did a little IG story review on this, but it's the Legendary Foods nut butters. I fucking love them so much. Love to put them in my oatmeal, and ooh, my favorite. It's probably my favorite meal of the day. Cool. Now that I got my oatmeal, I'm gonna go ahead and take my nut butter and just stick it underneath so that it could melt, like the heat from the oatmeal will melt it. Lastly, the last thing that I add to my oatmeal is the One Up Nutrition ISO protein in vanilla ice cream. I absolutely love this one and the chocolate one. That's the only 2 flavors that they have. I'm hoping that they come out with more, but I really like this one with all the nut butters, because like vanilla, you know vanilla with like apple pie, and vanilla with cinnamon bun roll, blueberry cinnamon roll. It sounds better with vanilla over chocolate, in my opinion. I don't know. I'll probably try it with chocolate one day, but I really like using this to mix with my nut butters. We're just gonna mix it. This is my shit. I am the oatmeal fucking queen. Deadass, you guys. Okay? I am the oatmeal queen. Just saying. Fuck cream of rice. It can suck dick. And voila! Oatmeal. Hi. I just got back from the gym. I wanted to shower before I ate, so I showered, I got my face mask on, I got some oils on my face because this part of my skin is like super dry and it's not cute. I'm breaking out for some reason. I used something and I had an allergic reaction to it because I think it was old, but I wanted to test it out anyways because I'm stubborn. I'm about to make my post-workout meal, which is basically the same thing. It's oatmeal, so I don't think I'm gonna show you guys that. It's just oatmeal and protein, and it's without the nut butters, so I still love it. Pretty sure you guys can't take me seriously with my ears, my face mask and stuff, but we're just gonna roll with it, you know, because this is just me, this is my life. And I fucking love oatmeal. I think everyone knows that by now. Instead of the vanilla ice cream one, I used the chocolate milkshake protein, which I absolutely love, and it's the bam, like it's bam, and this is delicious. Even the babies are feeding their gains. Well, Bella's always eating, so that shit ain't new. Got my Christmas tree light on. It's raining outside. It's just so cozy today. I'm just kind of sad that the sun's not out because I was planning to film all day today, and I'm just like, it just happened to rain and be gloomy on the wrong day. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna film anyways. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy my oatmeal with my babies. I'm gonna film my meal prep with me video right after this and eat another meal, and I'll see you guys then. Whew. I just finished filming my meal prep with me video, and now it's time to eat my third meal. I am so freaking hungry. Damn, this baby hairs, man. Ugh. For my third meal, I get a whole grapefruit. I'm currently cooking my eggs, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a handful of spinach. Yum. And personally, lately, I just don't care if it looks, I don't really care if it looks nice or not, so I'm just gonna like scramble it all up and let it cook like that. This is the finished product of my third meal. This grapefruit looks so freaking good. Oh my god. And then I just added some ketchup and garlic salt to my eggs. I'm watching Christmas movies and I'm eating my grapefruit, and I was like, I wonder how they eat their grapefruit. I want to show you guys how I eat my grapefruit. I don't know, I spoon the pulp out. That was called pulp. Like this. And then you see this layer of skin. I stick my spoon in there and then like split it from the pulp, so now it's like ripped off. I go to the other side like that, do the same thing, put my spoon in between the pulp and the skin, and then I'm going to scrape it off. Eee! Like that, and then spoon it out and you get the whole piece of pulp. That's how I eat my grapefruit, and the fucking sun is gone. But yeah, just keep doing that until I work all the way around the grapefruit. I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you guys because I don't know how you guys eat grapefruit. That's how I eat my grapefruit because the skin is so bitter. But I love grapefruit when you just eat the pulp. So it's an easy way to eat grapefruit. I just woke up from the best nap ever. Oh my god, the weather is just, it just got me into this little like cozy, just relax all day type of deal. But I've been needing to catch up on my sleep, so I just woke up from a nap. I'm feeling hungry, but I only have 2 meals left for the day, so I'm only gonna eat a little snack. It's supposed to be part of my last meal, but I like to split it up because my days are really long and I have only 5 meals. I'm gonna make it technically 6, not really 6, I just have a snack. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some raw almonds, no salt, no seasoning, just bare raw almonds. Yep. Oh my god, I am so sorry about my baby hair, guys. But can we just appreciate all the Christmas decorations in my house? My mom made that up there. And don't worry, we're going to make a video about that for Vlogmas. Fortunately, I can't do a decorating video or anything like that, or putting up the Christmas tree video, because we had our Christmas tree up since like the beginning of October. Yeah, so that's that. Just finished filming another video. Yo, your girl's trying to stay on fucking top of this shit because there's so many to film. I really want to be successful with Vlogmas. My mom recommended that I do 12 days of Christmas instead. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm gonna try and upload as much as possible. And yeah, I'm so fucking hungry. So I'm gonna eat my 5th meal of the day. One of my favorite meals because it has rice. Damn, that looks so freaking bomb. I did have a video, well, I just recorded a video today of me meal prepping, so if you want to learn how to make this, just stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna go ahead and add some sriracha ketchup because this shit is a fucking game changer, you guys. Sriracha ketchup, oh my fucking god, I love it. You can get this at Stater Bros and Smart & Final. I'm not really sure where else, but those are the only 2 places that I know of where you can get it. I'm fucking obsessed. I am obsessed. Like, tell me that doesn't look bomb. I just added the sriracha ketchup and I'm mixing it up. I got some rice, I got my bumpernut sisig, and some veggies. I love me some veggies. This is my 5th meal of the day. One of my favorite meals, probably my 2nd favorite meal because it has rice and I fucking love it. Now we got Roxy lurking. I ain't gonna drop shit, bitch. You guys are so cute. Hi, mama. Hi. I know this is probably like a thing for everyone, but I love food. Like, I fucking love food. I'm just like, I just want to eat all the fucking time, you know? Like, all the fucking time. Oh my god. I almost freaked out. I thought I saw a spider, but I didn't. This, oh my god, are you ready? My mouth is like watering. That is so sad. Finally, we finally made it to the end of the day and I'm so freaking tired. I've been on my laptop since my last meal. I got 6 more videos to edit. I gotta stay on top of this shit, but currently heating up my last meal and I'm so excited to eat it. And I'm sipping on some tea right now, relaxing for the rest of the night. This is my last meal for the day. We got more veggies and just salmon, no carbs for my last meal. And same thing, I love to use the sriracha ketchup with this as well. That concludes the video. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my last meal and just really, well, attempt to eat slower than usual because I really need to learn how to enjoy my food. I eat way too fast. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my last meal of the day, relax for the rest of the night, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.